Let's get it going with Top That Trade. Joining us now, Phil Fleta, Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Uckman, an options trading guru. Here we go, guys, with round number one. Quitting time. Has the labor market reached the point of saturation?
Woohoo! Too many jobs, too little people. That
should be a good thing. But in the past, some economic forecasters have used this as a sign that there's a recession coming. I don't think so. What's going to happen, supposed to happen according to the books anyways, is less employees. They're going to have to start paying them more, so everybody's going to start making more. Everybody starts spending more. That gets more employees, and it's a vicious cycle, and then everything up and away.
He hit on the oxymoron. I mean, if we have full employment, why aren't wages going up? And I think that shows that despite the fact that we're near full employment, there are still problems in the labor force where some people are underemployed, that they don't have the right kind of jobs. Exactly, either the right kind of training or the right geographical location. And I think over time that's going to be working out. But overall, this is a good thing because, you know, when you're at this full employment, finally, for the first time in generations, employees are starting to have some of the power. It's not just the boss, and you're going to be able to demand better conditions.
Neither one of us has bosses. We don't have bosses.
I know.
Hey, I thought I was the boss. Let's take it now to another good problem with round number two, cash stash. Americans have goo gobs of money they could be tapping into with their home equity lines. What does this mean for the market?
Trillion.
500. It means that people are getting smart. Okay.
They're not spending the equity in their house.
Which is a smart thing because that's what we saw in 2008. There were people that used to take out home equity loans.
They learned their lesson.
Yeah, don't take out a home equity loan to go to Walmart to buy your groceries. But people were.
All right, but I look at this a different way. I think people are fighting the last battle. I think people are still afraid, and that's why they haven't jumped in the stock market.
That's very possible.
I think that means that people are still afraid of 2008, so they haven't invested in the stock market. So that, to me, means we got a lot of upside left in stocks.
In round number three, Bird Brain Billions. There's an e-scooter company worth $2 billion. What do you see in transportation stocks?
I like it. I like this. This is a great idea.
Have you seen these? They just litter the cities. I was in Miami and they just drop them right on the street and someone picks them up and goes and rides off.
That's what happened. Well, in Chicago, they had the same thing for years, except they weren't motorized. Divvy, it's a company, it's a publicly traded company. Heavy bikes, and it's the same business model. You don't buy the bikes. They have them available. You pay $1 and then you pay 15 cents a minute to ride the electric bike.
The e-scooters are pretty crafty. I like that. But what the lesson to me is that technology. There's always going to be someone building the better mousetrap. So what if it's worth $2 billion? Maybe it shouldn't be, but there's always going to be another company, another market, another opportunity. Tech, and tech. Do I need to say that again? Very close to new all-time highs this week. And a full recovery. That targets a move in the NDX back to about 8,000, which is 10% above where we are now.
All right, here we go with the bonus round question for today. Tennis star Venus Williams tells CNBC that she saves most of the money that she earns winning. However, she does splurge on this one thing. What is it? Jewelry, cars, or spa days?
Yeah, it's got to be jewelry. Jewelry.
Spa days.
The answer is jewelry.
See?
Oh, man.
But when you think about it, jewelry is actually a commodity, so it's just another form of investing.
She could always melt stuff down if she had to.
I think this segment is about to melt down. Business First AM continues right after this. Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.